Hey guys, it's your boy SNN here back with another video. And today we're going to be reviewing video games. Not reviewing actually. It's not a video, it's unboxing. Okay. About like 14 DS games from EB Games. Here's the bag. Who cares about the bag? I'm not showing you a receipt because what I do need to know. Get out of here, receipt. Which one do you want to start off with? Start off with Pixel Image DS, the recycled game EB Games. So let's open it. The back, it's nothing great. Okay, open it. Pixel Image. Focus, camera, focus. I think you guys can see it well. Let's Pixel Image. Sega made it. Let's get this out of here. And next one is Swiss Life 2 DS. Okay. I remember getting this. Some of these games are really weird. But, yeah. Hope you guys can hear me. I think you could. I don't think I'm talking that much in this video. I don't know. Okay, let's get plastic over here. And the game. Anyways, guys. Sorry about that if you heard something. Name and okay, this is Sweet Life. The Sweet Life. Zach Cody. What? Zach Circles. Oh, that kind of looks. I did not. What? Okay, next is On Tour Decades on DS or something. So into this, it's a freaking 25-cent game. I know, right? If I had Edge Platinum, which I don't, I only have Edge Gold, I would get it for 23 cents. Wow. Hold on. Just plastic out of here. Now, let's get right into the game. Guitar Hero on Tour. Didn't know there's a Guitar Hero for the DS. Till now. Okay, next is just gonna win this game. Quick Spot gets plastic off. Obviously, yeah, all of these are recycled. If I didn't get them recycled, it would be like $35.98. Let's load of here. I stick. Okay, Quick Spot. I say Quick Delivery before. No, I think I said Quick Spot. Anyways, Quick Spot. Okay, that's done. Let's get into this one. It's the only actual case, I guess, but still recycled for 99 cents. Big Brain Academy, yay! And you can see the back here. Set plastic off. We have more games to go through also. Kind of a bunch more. Not really, but. Okay, hold on. Let's get plastic out of here. Tape thing. Okay, open it. Oh, okay. So, as you see, booklet thing. The game. Hope you can see it. The cartridge. Big Brain Academy. It's out of here. Okay. I think this is the first unboxing on my channel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Now, Brain Age 2. This game I'm actually looking forward to play. I have the first Brain Age, which wasn't recycled, I don't think. Got it from a place you guys may not know. It's called Boomerang Kids. It's $10 there, and just realized at EB Game, if I want to recycle, I don't even know if it was recycled at Boomerang Kids, but here's the game. Cartridge. I got the game at EB Game, so it didn't like $2.99. I'm not unboxing that because I don't want 2 games. Next is Ninja Reflex DS. Let's get a plastic out of this one. Off. Okay. It's plastic away. Now the game. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, that actually looks cool. Ninja Reflex. Oh, EA made it? Oh wow. I think Ninja Reflex is on the Wii. I'm pretty sure Ninja Reflex is on the Wii. I don't know. Now, time to open Ben 10 or something. Ben 10 Alien Force DS. Let's get plastic off. I don't think I really remember getting this. I probably secretly got it, but it actually looks fun. I'm fine with it, I guess. Okay, out of your plastic game. Open it. Ben 10 Alien Force. Just a cartridge. Wait, see, I made that Cartoon Network? Really? Wow. This is Guitar Rock Tour DS. No. Guitar Rock, just freaking 25 cents. No, freaking 25 cents. Gosh, EB Games is such cheap DS games. Sadly, not free DS games. The maximum recycled free DS game is like $15. Guitar Hero on Tour. Wait, hold on, guys. Didn't I already have that? It's already. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Look. First one, this one, and oh no. I got 2 of the same games. What? But this one said Guitar Rock Tour DS, and this one said Guitar Hero on Tour Decade DS. What? Stupid EB Games. Whatever, let's get these. Probably gonna give the other one to my brother, I guess. Now, Club Penguin! I'm so excited for this game. So excited it's on this. I can play Club Penguin again. I don't think it's the actual game, I'm not sure. Get off the plastic. Club Penguin. So technically I only have 13 games for this unboxing. I don't know. Okay, Club Penguin. Club Penguin Elite Penguin Force. For some reason it says J on the corner. Disappointing that I got 2 of the same games though. I swear if I got free. Band Hero. It's better be on the same game. It'd be so. Yeah, I can't get 12. I want 14, not 13. I have 2 of those games though. Whatever, doesn't matter. It's still 14 games. I didn't ever said not doubles. Could be of the same game. Yes. Wait. Why is there plastic on it? Look, Band Hero. It's actually a good game. Well, no, I don't know. Band Hero Activision. There's like a 99-cent thing there. The frick? Did they take that off or something? Good try. Now you guys get the full cartridge look. No one cares if it can't see it that well. Even me, I can't see it that well. Doesn't even really matter that much. Of course I care. Just to see it. Before I said 13. Wait, no, this is technically 13, but I'll put 14 because I never said it's the same games. I think I said that before. What the heck? Sorry, plastic. Okay. This is... What is this? My World Coach GS. Looks good. My Word Coach GS. Okay. Here it is. Looks good. Honestly. Now, Club Penguin Herbert's Revenge. Different. It's different. It's different from Club Penguin. I asked the lady that worked there. Technically, I got 13 real games, no dupes. I only had one dupe. Dupe. Okay, good. Club Penguin Herbert's Revenge. This isn't a different game from the other one. Club Penguin again. Damn. Now, National Geographic Panda DS or something? What? Ugh, let's open this. Come on, open. There we go. Just plastic over the way. This is the last game I have. Wow. Didn't realize that. Well, here it is, National Geographic Panda. Pretty sure. Wait, are they all open? Yeah, all these are open. Okay. Open up. So I have this. Picked up this for free. Shiny Silvery level 100. Pokemon Sun, Moon. Yeah, this I guess. GameStop games. Okay, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Okay, bye. Guys, enjoy. Make sure to comment down below. Okay, bye.